In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Poly to Slack, a fantastic tool for creating polls, surveys, and more within your workspace. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First things first, let's jump into your Slack workspace. Locate the left-hand sidebar menu. This is where all the magic happens. You'll need to scroll down a bit until you find the option that says Add Apps. Go ahead and click on that. Now you're on the Apps page, and at the top, you'll see a search bar. In that search bar, type in Poly. This is the tool you're looking for, designed to boost engagement through polls, surveys, stand-ups, and even trivia games. Once you've typed that in, take a moment to locate the Poly app in the search results. It should be pretty prominent, with a description that matches what I just mentioned. When you spot it, click on Add. After that, you'll arrive at the app's integration page. Here, you want to click on the button that says Add to Slack. This step grants Poly access to your workspace. Don't worry, it will explain what permissions it needs and why. Take a moment to review these requested permissions. When you're ready, just click Allow. By doing this, you'll connect Poly to your Slack workspace, and that's a crucial step. Now that Poly is connected, you'll see a welcome screen. Go ahead and click Continue to move forward. This is where you can personalize your Poly experience. You'll be asked what you primarily plan to use Poly for. It could be various purposes like HR-related tasks, team engagement, or even just for fun. Choose your interests from the options given, and then click on Finish Up. Great, you've now enabled Poly, and we're almost there. Next, let's access it. Return to your Slack workspace. On the left sidebar, under the Apps section, you should now see Poly listed there. Click on Poly and you'll navigate to its Chat or Home tab where all the configuration options are available. Now we're ready to create your first poll. To do this, look for the button that says Create a Poly. When you click on it, a new window will open that leads you through the setup for your engagement activity. Here, you'll set your audience. You can choose teams, coworkers, or even specific individuals, depending on how targeted you want your poll to be. Now, focus on your goal. Ask yourself, what do you want to achieve with this poll? Whether you're collecting general feedback through a suggestion box or hosting an Ask Me Anything session, fill that in according to your objectives. Keep following the prompts, and before you know it, you'll have your poll ready to deploy. And there you have it. Adding Poly to your Slack workspace is a straightforward process that can really enhance engagement in your workplace. I hope you find this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions along the way, feel free to drop a comment below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.